Genesis, Chapter 10. The Map of Nations. 1. This is the record of the descent of Shem, Ham, and Japheth, sons of Noah. Their children were born after the flood. 2. These were the sons of Japheth: Gomer, Magog, Madai, Javan, Tubal, Meshech, and Tiras. 3. These were the sons of Gomer: Ashkenaz, Riphath, and Togarmah. 4. These were the sons of Javan: Elisha, Tarshish, Shittim, and Rodanim. 5. From them proceed the maritime peoples, who have separated themselves in their territory, according to their language, each according to the clans of their nations. 6. These were the sons of Ham: Cush, Mizraim, Phuth, and Canaan. 7. These were the sons of Cush: Sheba, Havilah, Sabta, Rahama, and Sabteka. These were the sons of Rama: Sheba and Dedan. 8. Cush also begot Nimrod, the first powerful man on earth. 9. He was the bravest of hunters, and so it is said, valiant as Nimrod. 10. At first his kingdom encompassed Babel, Erech, Akkad, and Calneh in the land of Shinar. 11. From this land he set out for Assyria, where he founded Nineveh, Rehoboth-ir, Calah. 12. And Rezim, which lies between Nineveh and Calah, the great city. 13. Mizraim begot the Luddites, the Anamites, the Leabites, the Naphtuhites. 14. The Patricites, the Casluhites, from whom the Philistines originated, and the Caphtorites. 15. Canaan begot Sidon, his eldest son, and Heth subsequently. The Canaanite clan spread. 16. As well as the Jebusites, the Amorites, the Girgashites. 17. The Hivites, the Archeans, the Sinians. 18. The Arvadius, the Zemarius, and the Hamatheists. 19. The borders of Canaan extended from Sidon to Gerar and into Gaza, and from there they proceeded to Sodom, Gomorrah, Admah, and Zeboim, reaching Lasa. 20. These are the descendants of Ham, according to their clans and languages, and their territories and nations. 21. Shem, Japheth's elder brother, also bore children. Shem was the ancestor of all the sons of Heber. 22. These were the sons of Shem: Elam, Assur, Arphaxad, Lud, and Aran. 23. These were the sons of Aram: Uzi, Hul, Geter, and Meshech. 24. Arphaxad begot Sulla, and he begot Heber. 25. To Heber were born 2 sons. One of them was named Peleg, because in his time the land was divided. His brother was named Joktan. 26. Joktan begot Almoda, Saleph, Hazarmav, Jerah. 27. Adareo, Uzal, Diklah. 28. Obal, Abimael, Sheba. 29. Ophir, Havilah, and Jobab. These were all sons of Joktan. 30. The region where they lived stretched from Mesa to Sephar, in the hills to the east. 31. These are the descendants of Shem, according to their clans and languages, and their territories and nations. 32. These are the clans of the sons of Noah, distributed in their nations, according to the history of their offspring. From them, the peoples dispersed throughout the land after the flood.